Hey everyone, today just taking a look at the iPad dock connector to VGA adapter. Really simple design, just like any other Apple video adapter. Very white, regular cable. Open it up here. Just as hard to open. Okay. See the VGA adapter there, a regular dock connector. This only works for the iPad at the moment, but there have been some inklings that may be supported in OS 4 for iPhone, but we'll have to wait and see. So let's take a look at it in action. Okay, so I've got the iPad connected with the VGA cable to this monitor here. It's basically my secondary monitor for my desktop computer. I've just borrowed the VGA cable into the adapter. So the VGA connector is basically just for videos and slideshows. So the only apps it's going to work with are the video application, YouTube, anything that will output video for you. I'm going to open up our YouTube channel here. See it loading on the screen here. And we'll just pick the latest video, and it should pop up on the screen. Hey everyone, it's Mike. It works pretty seamlessly. Here from iEvolution. Turn this down. Showing you, the audio is still going to come out of the iPad. Of course, the VGA cable does not carry audio. So if you want to have audio going out as well, you'll have to connect something to the headphone jack to an external source, a surround sound system, something like that. But yeah, it works pretty good. That's the iPad VGA connector.